ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. Well, over the last couple of hours, the Australian dollar returns back to a negative sentiment, with the prices now looking back towards the support seen at 71.50. Below there, the support or the objective is at 71.20, and a break here will see further downside movement for the Australian dollar and look towards a target of 70.25 or lower towards an objective of 69.60. You can see here that this level of 71.20 is important, as a break would give this exposure possibly even lower to the lows seen around January this year of 68 cents. However, do note, if we do get a rejection from 71.20 or we get a break above 72.25 today, then that would give further suggestion that we may see a squeeze up towards 72.85 to 73.85, which is a cap now for the Australian dollar, as you can see here, troughs and peaks. However, if this indicator on the dailies is true and as momentum does actually continue to rise, then this could see the Australian dollar break towards the upside and hold above 71.20. But let's see how the price performance goes in the next 24 hours. Euro dollar still weaker and still looking towards that target of 110.50.60. Now a break beneath there does expose the next objective, which is around 107.40.60. Looking to the upside, resistance now comes in at 111.85.95 and firmer at 112.60. Well, once again, dollar yen pushes towards the upside and fails at the resistance of 110.40.80. Do note that the indicator now is actually starting to break down on the hourlies. If this rejection, like before, plays out, then we could see this kind of pattern come back in again and look down towards the 107 to 108 region. What will get this confirmation is a break beneath 109.50. However, while holding above 109.50, we should not rule out that another attempt may be made towards that 110.40.80, and a break would see stops trigger a rally to 111.60.85. So do keep a note on those levels of 109.50 to 110.80. Sterling impressively rallies again, and this time challenges the resistance or the recent highs around 147. Today, the market needs to act promptly to get a break of 146.60 to get that fall towards 145.10. If we don't get that break of 146.60 on the day, then the risk is that we will see another challenge to the upside and see the market look towards 147.30 to 147.85.95. But again, that would actually see the sterling in overbought territory, and I do expect to see a pullback. And finishing up on the gold, well, the story there still remains negative and still looks down towards the target of 1,207 to 1,210. If that support doesn't hold, then we could even see a fall down towards 1,190 and reassess from there. What will get this story reversed is if we see a break above the 1,231 to 1,240, then we see a rally back to 1,250. So just to wrap up, Aussie weaker on the day, Euro will continue to be weaker into the next 24 hours. Dollar yen, mild pullback, but as long as we remain above 109.50, looks for a re-challenge to the upside. Sterling is overbought in intraday and does look for a pullback, with the gold story still looking down towards that 1,207 to 10. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for listening and hope you enjoy your day.